Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make a curve in commercial building. First of all, we can make the rectangle. It's around 29 and also 20. It's around 30 meter and 27. Then we can click and then we can push it up. Type 1 meter in here for the thickness. Then we can double click, right click, and also make component and just create. Okay, then we can select move, tap control and click and place and move it up. Type 4 meter in here. And then we can duplicate it until it has 5 story in here. So 1 2 3 4 5 story in here, and then now we can right click and then make unique. Okay, right now we can make the rectangle again to make the core building in here. We can offset it inside around 9 meter in here. Okay, then we can push it down until the position in here. Okay, then now we can double click, right click, and erase. Then now we can push it up around 5 meter in here, double click and then make group. Okay, and after that now we can determine about the structure composition. We can select the rotate rectangle in here. Okay, then we can make the structure dimension. It's around 900 and also 1 meter, but the position and dimension is speculation only in here anyway. Then double click and make component and create. Then we can select a move, tap control and place to the position in here, and we can move 7.5 meter in here and move 7.5 meter in here. You can select a move, tap control and move, tap control in here, 8 meter in here, in here, move and place and move and place. Okay, just like this, and now we can push it down until to the position here. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle in here and offset it outside around 3 meter in here. Then we can push it up around 300 millimeter. Double click and also make group. Then now we can select a move and also place on the appropriate position in here and make the rectangle. Then we can make group and we can erase. Then we can select the vertical line in here and select move, tap control and place type 9/another in here and click. That's all. Then we can select move, tap control and place type 7/another in here. So it's just like that, and then now we can select the glass. Okay, and then place on the position, and now we can offset it inside around 1 meter in here and offset it inside around 150 millimeter and push it up type 2.5 meter in here. Okay, now we can make the another things. We can make unique. So then we can offset it outside around 2 meter in here. Okay, just like this. Then now we can push it down until the position in here. Okay, then we can just select this one. Then we can make the line in here to make the curve. In here. Okay, then now we can select the 2-point arc in here and click from this point to the point in here. Okay, and push it down until the position in here, and also that one, and push it down, and that one, push it down in here. Okay, and push it down in here. So this is about the design. Anyway, this is about the design, and okay, now we can erase some then click the surface and select edit, copy, exit from the group, and edit, paste in place in here. Then we can select move and also place and push it up until the position in here, and double click and also make group in here. Okay, that's all. Then now we can select this surface again and select edit and copy, exit from the group, and edit and paste in place in here. And we can push it up. We can push it to the inside in here, around 1 meter in here, and erase some unnecessary line over there and push it to this position. Double click and make group. Okay, then we can erase some unnecessary line over there. Okay, and now we can place on that position in here, and we can just select the vertical line in here because it was important. Then we can select a move, tab control, and just place. Type 12/ and enter in here. Okay, select move, tab control. Okay, move, tab control, and place. Type 12/ and enter in here. Okay, that one. And now we can make the another things in here. We can make the rectangle and push it up in here. Triple click and also make group. Then we can erase the top and also the bottom surfaces. Then you can select move, tab control, and place. Type 12/ and enter in here, and also that one. Then select move, tab control, and place. Type 12/ and enter in here. Then now we can assign about the another materials in here. Then now we can modify it. That one we can type 200 in here and push it up. 200 also in here, and also that one type 200, and this one 200 also in here. And then now we can select the rectangle with this one, and then we can select the rectangle in this position. Okay, and the position, sorry, I will activate about the this one. Okay, we can right click and make component and just create. Then now we can select a move, tab control, and place to the position in here. Okay, just like this. Then now we can make group. Okay, that one. Then we can select a move, tab control, and place, and again in here. Now we can select move, tab control, and place to the position in here. We can select a move, tab control, and place. Now we can rotate 90. Okay, and then now we can select the color in here. Okay, just like that one. And then now we can assign about the materials again with the gray materials in here. Okay, and then now we can make the rectangle in here. Okay, we can copy it and move it up. Okay, we can make group and select move, tap control. Okay, we can just rotate 90 degree, and then we can place onto the position in here. Okay, just like this one, and then now we can make the another color. We can try to select the color in here, and we can try to set up with the saturation of this color in here. Okay, now maybe we can select move and place. Okay, then we can push it to the another side. Okay, just like this. And okay, so you can explore more about the another one, about the podium and much more. Anyway, okay, thank you for watching, and you can also activate about the shadow. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.